Hello everyone, Tina, I'm right back. Right now I'm going to show you how we can use a video, a YouTube video that is pretty simple. You can watch it very carefully and then I can ask you many questions in English. So I'll just basically present it the way I would teach it. If I were teaching this to a class or to a student, this is what I would be doing. So let's start. I'm going to put on Zoom, again, favorite, and I am, okay. All right, so this is one of my favorite videos on YouTube. It's Space Alone by Ilias Sounas or Sounas. I don't know Greek very well, so I would imagine Sounas probably. And it was put up on May 18th, 2007, and I liked it a lot at that time when I was on YouTube. I had different feelings about, life, so it's one of my favorites. So, okay, so what we'll do, so we'll bring it up into the big one, and as we are watching, I will stop it, and then I'll focus on the things that are most important. I can ask you many things, and I will go very slowly to show you how we can use this as a teaching tool. All right, let's begin. It's not good to be alone. So the first, the title or the opinion of this filmmaker is that it's not good to be alone. So this can be used for many things. You can use it as a conversation topic. So the conversation topic is it good to be alone? Yes or no? And then I can ask you, why do you think it's good to be alone, if you agree? And why don't you think it's good to be alone? So why are you against that? Why do you think that you should not be alone? A conversation topic and also a writing topic. You can write an opinion paragraph or even an opinion essay. 3 paragraphs, a small essay. So very, very simple. It's not good to be alone. Okay, let's continue. As you can see here, we are introduced to the protagonist. Protagonist refers to the person, or I don't know, is it a person? Is it a robot? Who is in this picture? What do you see? What is happening? Who do you see? What do you see? Where are they? Where is he? We don't know. Is it more than one person? So we can see. Okay, so now we find out there is only one being. Okay, I won't say person, being, or robot, human being, we don't know yet. So you can see here there's only one, is in the spaceship. All right, spaceship. So wow. So what does it say here? There is 1 day left and still no life found. What does this mean? So this robot or being has only 1 day left to find life. Of course, I'm not going to get into the philosophy of what does life mean? How do you define life? I guess I can bring my sidekick Robert, my husband, to have a conversation about that for higher level students. But now I'm doing this video, I think, for more beginner level students, A2, or even, yes, A2, A1 or A2, depending on your level. Okay, so why did this being go out into space? You can assume from here that the reason this being went out into space was to look for life. So if he's looking, he or she is looking, or it is looking for life, do you think that it thinks it has life or not? Very good questions here. And how does he feel or she feel? We don't know the gender. How does it feel about looking for life? Is the being happy or unhappy about having only one day left to find life? And of course, we see this picture here. I guess this is a kind of an animal. So I think this is what life is for this being. Oh, and all of a sudden we have a life sign. This is the being found the life. So now the spaceship is landing. All right, so we have vocabulary. The spaceship is landing. You can also describe here where are we in space? Do you think we are in our planetary system? Do you think we are in our area? Do you think this is Jupiter? Can you describe where this spaceship is landing? What color is it? And then also think of what is happening. What are they doing? How do they feel? How do you feel about what you are, excuse me, watching? You can have a whole conversation about this video, 1 hour, and we would be done. How do they feel when they meet? Okay. How do they feel? What are they doing? How do they feel? What are they doing? So as you can see here, they're doing something. They're spending 1 day, because this being here, I don't know, robot? We'll find out. This being here has only 1 day to find life. So only 1 day to spend with someone who has life, an animal. So it's interesting because animal comes from anima, and anima means soul. So life means having a soul. Oh, so how does the being feel? There are 0 days left. Life was found and mission was a success. So we don't know how many days this being has been looking for life. And we see something else. System down. So who is this? This must be a robot, right? The robot was looking for life. And of course, the animal is happy. I don't know what kind of animal. Raccoon? I don't know. Skunk? Skunk or raccoon? We don't know. And now we find out. This is a microchip. And of course, the animal is concerned, is unhappy, very sad. And we have this microchip that comes out from the robot. What is the animal doing? He's crying. You can see he's crying, the crying way. So what is the animal doing? He's throwing the microchip. And of course, this is, the music is very interesting. This is one of the places where I start crying myself. You know, I have tears in my eyes because it brings up a memory. And the memory when I first watched the videos, this video particularly. And I can tell you a little bit later. Okay, so what's the animal doing? He's throwing a microchip where? Wow, so there is a place at the base of the mountain where there are many microchips. So this animal is also alone. And he's also looking for a companion. And he's throwing the microchip from another robot that was looking for life. So it is a very powerful video, not very long, only 3 minutes, but it gives a lot of information. So as you can see, there are many microchips. And I wrote a poem about it. Perhaps I will share it with you someday. I wrote a poem about this video that I watched for the first time in 2007. How many years ago? 13 years ago. Wow. And let's continue. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a very interesting video. The music is also very interesting, as you can see. You know, music is by, I don't know, you can see. Oh, so you can also go to the website there. So what are we trying to talk? Well, how can we teach this? This is for beginner students. How can I teach you if you're a beginner student? Hopefully A2. Hopefully you can understand what I am saying when I speak slowly. So when we watch a video like this, we can ask many questions. How many characters are there in the video? There are 2. Why is the robot looking for life? Now that's very difficult. I don't know. Maybe because he is alone. Now, space, alone. So he is alone. The robot is alone. Is the animal alone? So if I ask the question, is the animal alone? What do you answer? Yes, the animal is also alone. How do you know that? Because the animal, there is no other animal, there is no partner there. And of course he is alone because he threw, why am I using he? I don't know, he or she threw another microchip. So is this robot the first robot to be looking for life? Is this robot the first robot to be looking for life? In the video, you can see, no, he is not. It is not. How many robots have been looking for life? How many robots came to look for life? Many. We don't know. So this is you can ask many questions. You can put many questions. You can, the student, you can write the question also and ask the student this question and ask, how do you feel about being alone? Do you feel happy about being alone? Does the animal feel happy about being alone? Does the robot feel happy about being alone? So the topic is being alone. This topic can be used from beginner, intermediate, and also advanced level. I can teach the advanced course, advanced students with this video, but speaking much more quickly and asking more difficult questions. So this is why I love English for specific purposes. Teaching English through different subjects, for example, and using materials such as YouTube videos or Vimeo videos and so on. So this is an example. Let's see here. One more time. The name is Space Alone, and you can go see it. And as you can see, Sounas art. If you're interested in art, you can give them a try. It's the same art. I'm subscribed, I think. Or am I subscribed? Okay. I subscribe to Sounas art. Why am I subscribed to Sounas art? Because now I can choose different videos here to be helping you to study by yourself. And when you are studying by yourself, it takes a lot of effort. Okay, it takes a lot of effort. In this case, you can make your own questions. You can write the answers down. You can write a paragraph by yourself. If you're really interested in art, I think you can do this in art. That's an English for specific purposes, right? So if you're interested in art, you can use this website. Okay, I hope this boosts Sounas Art's number of subscribers. Okay, all right, everybody. So, all right, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will ask my sidekick, my husband, Robert, to do a free conversation video with me where we'll be sitting next to each other and we'll be talking about very, I guess, more difficult topics, perhaps for intermediate and especially for advanced students. Okay, thank you very much for watching me. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, bye. I'll see you later. Okay, take care.